Hey, today I'm going to show you how I made this pixel-style stitch sticker, completely by hand. All I used was a piece of graph paper, regular white paper, glue, scissors, tape, and a small piece of baking paper. Let's get started. I'm going through my markers and trying to find the perfect shades for Stitch. Something bright but still close to his original colors. First, I draw Stitch in pixel art style, using the grid on the paper. Just like cross-stitching, but with a pen. I found a reference image and started filling in the squares. It's honestly super satisfying to watch the character come together pixel by pixel. This part always takes a bit of time, but honestly, I really enjoy it. It's kinda like my chill moment. Just me, my markers, and a bunch of little squares. I don't know about you, but I could do this for hours. Something about filling in each tiny square is so satisfying. Like, my brain just goes quiet for a bit. No pressure to be perfect. I just go with the flow. Now it's time to color in my pixel stitch. And this part is always the most fun. I'm starting with the pink. I fill in the little squares inside his ears. And just that already makes him look super cute. Then, I grab a light blue and use it to fill in the eyes. The light shade helps make them stand out without being too harsh. Then, I move on to the face. And for that, I grab a darker blue. This darker shade gives Stitch that classic look. It's the main color of his face and body, so I want to get it just right. Now for the eyes. Filling them in with black, and then adding tiny white dots for that shiny look. Small detail, big impact. Now, I glue it onto a plain white sheet of paper. This makes it sturdier. Then I cut it out again, this time leaving a nice white border around the edges. It already looks more like a real sticker. Time to laminate it. I'm using regular clear tape for this. I place it over the top, nice and smooth, trying to avoid air bubbles. Adding one more layer of tape on top helps protect the sticker from water, scratches, and just daily use. After that, I trim it one last time around the edges. And that's it. My pixel stitch sticker is done. It's shiny, sturdy, and super cute. You can stick it on your laptop, phone case, or even use it to decorate a card or envelope. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you liked this video, give it a like and drop a comment letting me know which character I should make next. See you next time.